Welcome to the Cuarto Journal. In this week's episode, we're teaching you another delicious recipe called Persian lambneck and Shank stew with dill rice, also known as Mahiche in Iranian. This is one of the most popular dishes in Iran and we absolutely love it. So keep on watching! We'll start by making the lamb stew. So first, take 2 pieces of white onion and slice it. Put a small amount of oil in a pan and sear the meat on all sides. Then afterwards, set it aside. On the same pan, put the sliced onions and stir-fry quickly to enhance the aroma. Wash the pan, then add oil and the Atsuete powder and stir quickly. And then just set it aside. In a pressure cooker pot, put in the onions first. Then add the seared lamb meat, 1 cinnamon stick, garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of 7-spice mix, and fill in the pot with water just enough to cover the meat. Last but not the least is to add the Atsuete oil, but only half of it. Pressure cook the stew in 45 minutes to 1 hour, or you can also slow cook it in low heat for 2 to 3 hours. Now let's prep the basmati rice. So we use 5 cups of rice, wash it and soak it in water for at least 30 minutes. Then, boil water in a pot and add salt. Once it's boiling, add the washed basmati rice. Stir occasionally until the rice is halfway cooked. While the rice is cooking, you can also chop the dill finely. And then set it aside. When the rice is halfway cooked, drain it and wash it with water. Next, in a pot, put a small amount of oil, half of the remaining atsuete oil, and small amount of water. And then make several layers of rice and dill. Make some holes on the rice, then pour the remaining atsuete oil. Place some kitchen or paper towel before placing the lid and continue cooking the rice on low heat till it is cooked and fluffy. Once the pressure cooker is done cooking, release the pressure and then open it to check. Once the meat is tender, in a pan, put oil and tomato puree and stir-fry it just to enhance the flavor. Then add the stew and continue cooking it on low heat while adjusting the taste with salt or pepper, or you can also add chili flakes. This is optional, but we also decided to pair it with a Mediterranean salad, so it's super simple to make. Just add arugula leaves, sliced cherry tomatoes, sliced cucumber, sliced figs, feta cheese, and lastly, pomegranate syrup. Once the sauce is reduced, you can now serve it hot with the dill rice and the salad on the side. For an extra touch of deliciousness, you can also add a bit of butter to the rice. And that's it for our Persian lambneck and shank stew, dill rice, and a side of Mediterranean salad. It's rich, flavorful, and perfect for any occasion. If you tried this recipe, let us know how it turned out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye!